Hello, it's Auret here. Welcome to the Estetino Artist channel, where we release all kinds of videos related to money, marketing, and mindset for creative entrepreneurs. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to design and make your own highlight covers for your Instagram using the Canva app. So I'm just going to pull up my Instagram right now and show you what I mean. These circles, these highlights over here, which are basically highlights for your stories. For certain, it's like a collection of stories, basically highlighting those particular things that you want people to come back to and see more often. So that's these little circles over here, and it's great to be able to make them visually appealing because then people will be more enticed to click on them. And that's what you want if, your highlights are of, for example, if you're promoting certain things, if you're talking about certain topics, it allows your visitors who are coming to your Instagram page to find what they're looking for, to get more value from you, and to ultimately make the decision easier or not whether to follow you. So it's super easy to create these yourselves, and all you need to do is just download the Canva app. So I'm going to just show you what the app looks like. And you can see I have the Canva app in the top left corner over there. So that's what the icon looks like. And if you don't already have this app, you can download it easily from the App Store or on your iPhone, or from the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Once you install the app, you just need to open it up, and it will ask you to create an account if you don't already have it. It's absolutely free to do. So once you're all set up, you're logged in, I'm just going to open up the Canva app right now to show you how to create these. So we're going to use the Instagram story template right here, and we're going to use the blank template. So first and foremost, you want to decide on a color. So for me, I'm just going to go back here so you can see I chose this kind of like coral, peachy pink color. Jewel actually saw these highlight covers and she's like, "How'd you do that? Can you create some for me?" So that's what I'm going to do right now, showing you as a demo is how to create this. She wants purple. So whatever color you want, choose your color. And in order to change this, you're going to tap on the canvas and then choose a color. So I just basically tapped on the color, the rainbow area here on the very left-hand side. And then I'm going to just move the dial over to choose almost like a plum purple, but not too dark. Something like that. All right, hopefully she likes that shade of purple. And then what I'm going to do is now put in icons. So you'll create one cover per icon. And basically the icons are just whatever you want to use to illustrate or describe that particular highlight cover. So you want to come up with, you want to decide ahead of time, what are the highlight covers you want to have? What are those themes that you want to have? So first and foremost, Jewel wanted one that said adventure. So I'm going to find maybe like a globe icon, and you can do all of this again within the Canva app. So again, I'm going to click on the plus sign on the bottom right corner, and then I'm going to click on illustrations. So you can see here there's a whack load of free icons for us to use. And all you need to do is just type out what icon you're looking for. So let's find a globe for the adventure highlight cover. All right, so there's a lot of ones here, and you can see that with the crown, those ones aren't free, meaning you need to upgrade your account if you want to use those, but there's a decent amount of options here. So once you find an icon you like, you're going to just tap on it, and it's going to bring it onto the canvas for you. So it's lagging a little bit here because I'm also recording the screen on my iPhone. But once it brings it in, you'll see that it has a bunch of different pencil icons with colors on the bottom. This will allow you to change the colors that are on the icon itself. So we're doing like a purple, black, and white theme here. So I'm going to switch out all of the light colors. So I clicked on the tan color and I'm going to change it to white. All right, so I chose the white. I'm going to hit done, and let's just tap on the gray and then choose black. Basically, I'm making all the dark colors black and all the light colors white so that we have that contrast there. So that's done, and then I'm going to change, there's like a darker gray there, so let's change that to black as well. Since I already have that color palette, you can see here I don't have to go back into the colors and choose that color again. I can just literally tap on the black that I just used, which is nice. All right, so let's hit done. And there's actually like a lighter, you can see on the side there, there's a difference between the lighter and the darker gray. So let's make sure all of that is white, and then white again. All right, so once you've edited all of the colors on the icon itself, then what you can do is move it, make sure it's in the center. So you can see as I'm tapping and dragging it into place, I'm looking for this X crosshaired kind of thing so that, you know, I know it's in the dead center, which is what we need. And then I'm just gonna make it, I'm gonna tap on it again and just make it a little bit smaller. So what I need to do to make it a little bit smaller is just tap on the icon and then just use the corners to kind of tap and drag it inwards a little bit, like so. And that looks good so far. And then what you can do is if you want to have like a circle and a circle outline around it, like what I have here, you can also put it on a white icon or a white circle. So it's up to you whether you want to have an outline of a circle or just have it be a full filled in white circle behind the icon. So I'll show you how to do that. You just need to click on the plus sign again, go to shapes, and then I'm going to tap on the circle, which will put it in the dead center for me. And I want it to be white. So again, I'm clicking on the white there, and then to bring it backwards or behind the icon, just click on the 3 dots on the top right, and then with the icon that has the downwards arrow, you're bringing it backwards. You'll just need to click on that. So you can see here my icon kind of got lost a little bit because the circle itself is white. So I'm going to go back to the icon there and change those white colors to a light purple. There we go. And if it looks a little bit, it looks kind of off to me, so just make sure that it is in the dead center again. All right, there we go. So that is our first icon. And you'll see it's super easy. All you need to do is download this image. It'll save it to your photos. So to download it, click on the downwards arrow on the top right over there. And it's going to say preparing design. And then when you're ready to upload it, all you need to do is go to Instagram, and let's just say I'm creating a new highlight cover here with this one. All right, so I'm gonna go, I'll just type in test, edit cover, and then to bring in the one that you just designed, click on the picture icon. And you'll see here it automatically has it in place because you've put the icon and everything in the dead center. So when I click on done, or when I tap on done, then you'll see it nicely and ready to go. I'm going to move on to my next icon, designing my next one here, and it's going to be related to having client reviews as a highlight cover. So I'm going to find like a quotation mark for her as well, and play around with it. There's lots of cool icons that you can use and customize this to your needs. So that's it, guys. That's how you create a highlight story cover. So let me know what you think by leaving me a comment down below or giving this video a thumbs up. And also, if you can't be bothered to create your story highlight covers yourself, I'm happy to help as well. I've created a ton of Instagram graphics, Facebook, all kinds of social media, YouTube, thumbnails, PDF learning materials. I've designed a ton of stuff for my clients, so I'm happy to help if you have any graphic design needs. I'll put my email address and a link to my website so you can check out some of my stuff in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.